morning, good evening, good afternoon guys. I'm your boy, your host mechanic KB. Hope you're having a blessed day today. Welcome back to the channel. This is now episode 4, I believe. I'm having to record the intro from the future because technically episode 3 was meant to include episode 4, but I had to split it up because if you see how long episode 3 was, and that was with me cutting it down as much as possible. So here we are with episode 4, so let's just get right into it. So, me, the paint stripper. Yeah, so it's 5 litres. I might just pour out something and then apply onto here. I'm sure this was alley, so, and it says they leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna keep checking up on every 5 minutes. I'm coming back because I don't want it to start eating away into the wheel, if that makes sense. Yeah. Alright, let me find something to pour this into.
Moments later.
Alright, so I managed to find the styrofoam. I'll pour a little bit in there, apply on here. Do you know what? Let me put this here, get the other bowl, dash it here. It's wet. Oh, so now I have to wait an additional, what, 5 minutes? God damn. This is coming along fine. You see it bubbling. Boom, boom. Let me get some B-rolls, entertain you guys for a little bit while I'm waiting. 10 minutes, counting. My God, if you guys had told me paint stripper works this good, huh? You know that standing, wire wheeling I've been doing all this time, it's literally been what? Not even 10 minutes, 9 minutes, 8. And the thing is done. Oh, I say done. Look at that. Nah. I need to find a scraper or just come through with the wire wheel, finish everything off. But this is looking beautiful. Oh! I've basically done the second layer now on the front wheel. I'm gonna go over the second layer of the rear wheel, take off all the excess gunk crap, flip it over, put the paint strip on the other side. So let me set you guys up again. We're on this side now. Whew. Done, technically. Oh yeah, no, we're done. I'm gonna have to come back obviously with a little brush, like a much smaller brush, and go into these little crevices on that. That should be it. It's getting late now. It's basically 6. It's 6 o'clock now. Ain't no point in me continuing because one, I can't see past them lights, pass over that way. And there's my little cousin's shy. But yeah, so I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow, and hopefully tomorrow we should be able to paint it. And then that should be the end of the episode. Catch you in 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 1 minute? I ain't even know.
The next day.
I'm back. Today's a hot, beautiful day. Oh my God, I left someone on the phone. Give me 2 seconds, give me 2 seconds. Yeah, they're right, literally. I just muted it. Happy days. Either way, so yesterday I actually need to cut off that phone because I'm gonna start talking about the whole bike thing. Give me 1 second again. That's done. But brand new day, beautiful day. I'm feeling good. Hope you are feeling good again as well. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I don't even know, man. But so I've done that. I am so proud of this. This actually looks beautiful. Oh my god. So right now it's literally just prepping up the wheels, and I think that'll be it for this video. If I can get this done today, I swear to god, I'll be so happy. I'll actually be so happy. But let me put you guys down, move the bike frame, so I'll move it underneath the shelter, probably around there or somewhere, and then clean off the wheels. Alright, let that bubble up. I'm gonna get to washing the rear wheel. Yeah, rear wheel. I get to washing the rear wheel. That's one other thing. Basically, I haven't got my jet wash right now. Brother's got it, so I'm gonna have to do hand wash. But it should be alright because all the gunk's already off. But that should literally clean it off good. Yeah. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move the front wheel, the one that's bubbling right now, put it on the little brown seat, and let me just do that now. Yeah, let me just do that now. Can see. Oh my lord. Boom. It's fully cleaned. Now it's to dry off. A lick of primer. Happy days. What I want to do is I'm gonna cover up this, and then other side cover up the hole of the brake. Yeah. So right now I'm gonna take this, chuck it over that side over there somewhere, and let it dry. While that's drying, hopefully the other wheel is. Oh, but it looks of it. I think it's done. I actually think it's done. So let me put this over that side. Happy days. Oh my lord. What's going on? But alright, I'm actually finished. Absolutely looks beautiful, man. God damn. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this one dry off. I'm gonna grab the other one. Actually, I'm gonna lay down the newspapers so I can start painting, get the other one, prep it up for the paint, wipe down with the alcohol so that any grease, anything like that, it takes that off, and then get to it. Yeah, get to it. this is the front wheel, but I'm gonna start off by doing on the inside. Do that off quickly, done deal. While this one is drying, I'm gonna switch the papers around onto the other side, so then I can start doing the inside of the rear wheel. Yeah, that's the plan. Alright, let me show you, let me give you guys a little close up in it so you can see the perfection, the evenness. Oh, look at this. Ooh, oh, mamma mia. Here we go again. Oh my lord. Oh, oh, oh. Nah, on the reels, that is actually beautiful. Last coat and we are done. Perfect. Oh, done. While I'm here, I've got you guys. Move the camera a bit up, man. Alright, listen. This is the end of episode 3, innit? Tomorrow, what I want to do is take a look at the engine, refresh the carb, take it apart, and clean the jets, really, truly. Then we can start with the panels. That's obviously where most of the work's gonna be. But yeah, that's what everyone's gonna be seeing. So I'm gonna take my time with them, do a progressive sanding down, then primer. Yeah. Do you know what? Let me finish this bit off and I'll get another segment for the giveaway bike. Yeah. Alright, to cut a long story short, I'm giving away a bike to one of you guys in it. It's a Kymco Super 8 125 13 plate. I picked it up for £25, so really and truly it's not doing me any harm giving it to one of you guys. Basically all you gotta do to be entered is subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, head over to my Instagram and follow them. Once £20 bike project is finished, that's when I'll announce the winner. But I will only give away the bike if I hit 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, 1,000 subs by the time that the project's finished. We should have about 10 episodes, give or take. If I don't hit it by the time it finishes, then I'm just gonna sell it. Yeah, basically it gives you guys an incentive and it gives me an incentive as well. So really and truly, if you want a free bike, all you gotta do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, head over to my Instagram, and then follow them. If you want, tell me in the comments you've done it. Happy days. But yeah, so the issues with the bike is owner had it before, lost the key, so a new barrel, new key, yeah. And apart from that, the bike works. So what I'm gonna want to do, clean up the plastics, and that'll be it. Give you a little advice in it. If you actually want the bike, if you want to think smart about this, share it amongst your boys. If you follow the process, your boys follow the processes, girls, your friends, anyone, your granddad, anyone, your mum and dad, you get them to follow the process, then increases your chance. Well, even if it's within the group, it's still basically yours. So that's a no-brainer. Listen, if you guys like this episode, hit me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. Let me know in the comments why. Yeah, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. For me, probably for you, it's a couple of days, whatever it is, because I'm gonna need to record, blah blah. Yeah. Listen, yeah. Oh, hit the subscribe, post notifications. Obviously, you know when I'm gonna upload. I don't have a schedule because, as you can tell, this stuff's got a mind of its own in it. So just hit the bell notification, so obviously it notifies you when I upload in it. But enjoy your day, guys. Enjoy your day.